Hi guys! For today's video is how to update your Android device. Do you want to install the latest version update on your Android phone? While your Android will typically update automatically, you can speed up the process by manually updating as soon as an update is available. You can easily check if you have any system updates available to download. Though this will vary depending on your device, I will show you how to check your Android version on the Android phone or tablet and update your device to its latest version. So first is make sure that you are connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or mobile data. So here I'm already connected. So to check your Android version, so I'm here already at settings and tap about phone. Then here on the Android version, to update your Android, you will press update here. Then you can download update and we'll just finish the download. And later we will install it. So if your device is older and does not support the newest update, you will not see an update available. So that's it. That's how you update an Android device. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!